Jumpa lagi bersama Disat STP dalam tema kelapa bonsai. Kelapa bonsai ini sudah pernah kita bahas sebelumnya, dari pertama kali kita semai sampai beberapa tahap kita sehat mawar. Sekarang sudah bisa kita pindahkan ke dalam pot. Bagaimana proses pemindahan kelapa bonsai dari media polybag ke dalam pot putih ini? Ikuti terus prosesnya. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, comment, and share. Pertama sekali kita bongkar dulu kelapa bonsainya dari media polybag. Kita bongkar habis supaya kita bisa melihat bagian akar yang sudah tumbuh selama ini. Kita lihat, ini dia akar. Kita bersihkan.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. struggling, bitch, I'm humbling. Keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling. You keep bluffing, you've got nothing. I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling. Keep mumbling, I'll keep doubling. You keep bluffing, you